Did you know that Britain's worst rail disaster was caused by two men who simply forgot? May 22nd, 1915, Quintons Hill, Scotland. A local train sat stranded on the main line. The signalman knew it was there, but then they forgot. At full speed, a troop train carrying 500 Scottish soldiers hurtled toward the obstruction. The collision created an inferno that burned for 24 hours straight. 230 people died. Most were young soldiers heading to fight at Gallipoli. But the horror didn't end with the flames. Railway officials immediately began covering up the truth. Evidence disappeared. Reports were falsified. The real cause? Systemic negligence that went all the way to the top. These weren't random mistakes. The railway system was broken and everyone knew it. For decades, the government suppressed the truth about how preventable this tragedy really was. Two signalmen took the blame, but the real killers were the officials who let a deadly system keep running. 500 families never learned what really killed their sons.